What's up, guys? Let's get into today's combo, okay? Yesterday we went over the weave to the right. Today I want to go over the slip to the right, okay? Same concept too, as I take a small step to my right as I twist my body and put that punch in the chamber, all right? So let's put it in a combo. Let's go on 1, 2 offline, okay? From here, I'm going to step and slip slightly to my right. All right, let's go. 2, switch knee. Okay, slow motion. 1, 2, slip, 2, switch, knee. Slow motion one more time. 1, 2, slip, 2, switch, knee. All right, here we go, quick. Try it.